Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert border to top and bottom of a page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert border to top and bottom. Go to the Home menu. Then click the draw text box option and draw a text box over the page. Then click the text box and go to the shape format menu. Then click shape outline option and choose any color. Now I select the red color outline. Then again go back this option and increase the white. Then go to the home menu again and click shape option. Then choose rectangle shape. Then draw a rectangle top, left and right side to this page. Click the rectangle and go to the shape format menu. Then click shape fill option and choose white color fill. Then click shape outline and choose no outline. Then copy the shape and paste inside. Otherwise you can press Ctrl and Shift, then copy this rectangle in another side. Now we can see we insert border top and bottom very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.